Warning: compliments about your skin may increase unexpectedly. First up, Nude Veil. Soft, smooth, fresh, diffused. Pores look blurred, texture looks subdued. Like a soft focus filter, but in real life. It melts into the skin, helping everything look softer, fresher, smoother, and naturally refined. Never flat, never heavy, never overdone. Next comes Brighten-Up Veil under the eyes, because sometimes tired eyes need a little surprise. Brightened, not heavy. Freshened, not cakey. Now for a little sunshine. Sunglow Veil melts onto the cheeks and temples for warmth and glow. Never muddy, never orange, never, oh no. And finally, Peach Veil. The same beautiful shade as the Velvet Nude lipstick, but softer and more diffused for cheeks and lips. Fresh, not flat, glowy, not showy, soft, not heavy. More skincare than makeup.